Hi, I'm Dr. Stacy Ripke, and for today's 3-Minute Mondays, we are here at the NYU Pain Research Center to learn all about the innovative, collaborative work happening here. So come along with us.
At the NYU Pain Research Center, it's really an honor and a privilege to work with such a fantastic, diverse team of scientists to be able to bring pain research to the forefront where we can effectively treat patients. Pain is encountered in practically every medical problem that exists, and it's one of the hardest to treat. Around 30 to 40 million people suffer from chronic pain, but really what matters is not the entire number, but the patients that we deal with every day.
Here at the Pain Research Center, we're committed to solving the problem of pain by finding new ways to relieve pain without the use of opioids. One of the greatest things about working at the Pain Research Center is that we have a multidisciplinary team of people from structural biology to medicine to neuroscience, all working on the same problem of pain.
At the neurobehavioral core, we use advanced behavioral technique to help researchers to truly understand how pain works. My goal is to provide rigorous, standardized data to convert data made in the lab into better therapies for patients.
Pain is signaled through receptors, which are actually proteins at the top of the membrane. They convey signaling from outside of the cell into the cell. And so what we try to understand is how exactly this works and how you can actually look for medicinal drugs that can actually could interfere with that and could actually treat pain.
So I'm director of the electrophysiology core at the PRC. And what we are doing here is studying the electrical properties of neurons, how they can transmit pain on different models of diseases, and also for particular pathway that can be a drug target for future treatments on pain. On the other side, I enjoy working with other people and teaching to new students.
It's very exciting to be part of a growing center and contribute to the growth. And it's really nice to be able to meet different people and interact with them and give them the support that they need.
I have been in research for over 10 years now, and the highly collaborative nature of this research center is what really makes it one of the most renowned centers. This is something that I really enjoy and hope to build upon the many foundations that science is and take it into the bedside and drug discovery.
I love being at the NYU Pain Research Center. I really feel like it's an honor and a privilege to work with these incredibly talented scientists who span multiple aspects of pain and go everywhere from studying cells at the bench to studying patients, and with the common desire or common goal to treat chronic pain effectively in the 30 million people who are suffering from it.
The work happening here at the NYU Pain Research Center is truly inspiring as this team collaborates in groundbreaking ways to bring treatments to patients. That's it for today's 3-Minute Mondays, and we'll see you next week.